Welcome to our channel. If you're experiencing a black screen on Amazon Prime Video and are looking for quick solutions, you've come to the right place. Follow these step-by-step instructions to resolve the issue effortlessly. Step 1. Check your internet connection. Make sure that your device is connected to a stable internet connection. You can do this by opening a web browser and visiting a website to check if your internet is working properly. Step 2. Restart the app. Close the Amazon Prime Video app completely. On most devices, you can do this by swiping up from the bottom of the screen or accessing the Recent Apps menu. After closing the app, reopen it and check if the black screen issue persists. Step 3. Clear app cache, mobile devices. For Android users, go to Settings.cre. Apps, Amazon Prime Video, Storage, Clear cache. For iOS users, you may need to uninstall and reinstall the app as there is no direct option to clear the cache. Step 4. Update the app. Sometimes, high video quality settings can lead to performance issues. Open the app settings, navigate to video quality, and set it to a lower quality. This can help in resolving playback issues. Step 9. Reinstall the app. If all else fails, uninstall the Amazon Prime Video app from your device and then reinstall it. This can help reset any corrupted files or settings that may be causing the black screen. Step 10. Contact Amazon support. If you've tried all the steps above and you're still encountering a black screen, it may be time to contact Amazon support. They can provide further assistance and troubleshooting options specific to your account or device. Thank you for watching our video. If you found these solutions helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and tricks. Ensure that you have the latest version of the Amazon Prime Video app installed. Go to your device's app store, search for Amazon Prime Video, and check for updates. Download and install any available updates. Step 5. Restart your device. Sometimes, a simple restart can fix various issues. Turn off your device completely, wait for a few seconds, and then turn it back on. Once the device reboots, open the Amazon Prime Video app again. Step 6. Check for device compatibility. Make sure your device is compatible with Amazon Prime Video. You can check the list of supported devices on the Amazon Prime Video website. If your device is not on the list, consider using a compatible device to stream. Step 7. Disable VPN or proxy. If you're using a VPN or proxy service, try disabling it. Amazon Prime Video may not function properly while using these services. Disconnect from your VPN or proxy and see if that resolves the black screen issue. Step 8. Adjust video quality settings.